Good afternoon, this is Bailey Massey with Top Pitch Roofing. We are here today at Mr. Jones' house at 3636 Crawford Field Road. We have our shingle here that is damaged from wind that USA has asked the homeowner to do repairs on. We have everything labeled out using a crowbar. Now we're going to go ahead and try to get these nails out as carefully as possible. So already we have a shingle pulling through it now. This is going to cause preventative maintenance for this homeowner. Right here it's fine, but if this issue happens up here, it will be a problem causing damage to two other shingles. So we will continue to try to get these nails out. Again, shingle pulled through, and we will document all of this for you guys and get it sent in together. Being careful as possible, and again, this shingle pulled through. So every shingle on the bottom pulled through. This shingle is very brittle, making these repairs very hard. And again, you can see we are being careful as possible. Got this nail out successfully. Right here just pulled through. We've already damaged two shingles now just with repairing one. So again, same thing here. We've got our shingle out now. We've got a few more nails to go back and get from where the shingle pulled through. So we've got all of our nails out now. We're gonna go ahead and put the new shingle in. So we've got our shingle in place. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put these nails in. I wanna be very clear on one thing before I start putting nails in. That CertainTeed, GF, and Owens Corning are all very clear on that when these nails are put in for this roof to hold any kind of warranty or any wind rating as it says it should, these nails must be nailed in flush with the nail line, which is right here. And as you can see, that still isn't 45 degrees, still a proper repair. So we're gonna go ahead now and start putting the nails in. And as you can see, we've already got granules falling out. Now I understand USA does not owe for granule loss directly. However, these granules are falling out directly from the repair you've asked the homeowner to complete. You can see them falling out all where we've done the repair. So like I was saying earlier, where the shingle pulled through, these nails will not fully seal these holes, which can cause preventative maintenance for this homeowner, which is already a failure point that he did not have before. So we've got all the nails put in now. I want to go over here real quick to a control area where we haven't done really much work on these shingles. So if we go over here, we can wipe these granules. As you can see, they aren't really much falling out, no creasing, no cracking. Gonna go over here to where we completed the repair. And before I even touch these granules, I want to point out that we already have creasing and cracking here, a shingle tear here in the top corner. We've got creasing and cracking there, granule loss, more creasing and cracking. This was an accident by me that is not caused from the shingle. Again, more granule loss here, creasing and cracking. As you can see, there's tears in the top. We'll take photos and document all of this. But if you see here, I just pat these shingles. All of these granules continue to fall out. If I just give them a soft swipe, get them out of the way, you can see the shingle is cracked, creased. So at this time, this repair cannot be completed, and a full roof replacement is the only way to get Mr. Jones back to pre-loss condition. But we will get all this sent in and go from there. Thank you.